Hello folks, this is Stacy and welcome back to Crazy Cat Fishing. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Yesterday I went out on the kayak for the first time this year. The weather has been really messed up. I've not really had a chance to put out a video. I've went fishing a bunch of times, haven't even caught a bluegill, any type of fish. It's been rough. The weather wasn't really on my side yesterday, but I still went out, gave it a shot. I was going to go to the other side of the lake, to a creek that I've never fished before, try to catch some bait and try to catch some catfish, but the wind had other plans for me. I never made it across the lake. I stayed in a slough, and well, I ended up catching some fish. Right as I was giving up and was fixing to go home, on my way in the shore, I ran into some fish and I stopped. And here's the footage. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Thank you. Get out here past all this. I'm going to throw a swim bait out and troll it as I'm going to this creek that runs into the lake. Never been to it before. The water's really down. The wind's blowing like crazy. So this is going to be a fun day, y'all. Oh, crap. Yep, here's where I'm going.
That's what I'm talking about. Dude, as soon as you pulled out here, there's a feeding frenzy right here.
Do what?
As soon as you paddled that way, there's a feeding frenzy right here. They was busting on shad for like 10 minutes.
That's what.
Break my chatterbait off.
I'm gonna go ahead and warn you, if you're gonna venture out into the lake, it's bad. Bad. I've not even left this cove yet, and I've been here for a couple hours now. The wind's so bad, man.
Pushing you around.
Yeah, I went. Come on, man. I was going to go to Indian Creek,
That's what I was thinking about.
but as soon as I went around that point up there, I couldn't go nowhere. Then I about flipped because of the wind. I was actually coming in fixing to probably call it a day, but I don't know. I caught a fish now.
It's hard to leave when you start getting by.
How are you in there? Oh, there you are. Oh.
Yeah, they were chasing. I wondered if shad, it looked like shad over there. They were busting neck and high.
Oh, come on, baby. Oh, you're fighting. Woo! Another. Got him on worm. If I can get him in. Oh, damn. Come on. Holy crap. Bluegill or a seal cracker? I believe that right there might be a tart. See how long he is. I ain't got a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 11 inches long. Yeah. Oh no. He swallowed that hook too. I gotta get a picture.
That's awesome.
I think I'm still recording. Oh, I got one now. Oh, he's pulling me off the bank. Come on, get up here now. Come on, man. Don't do this to me. Yeah. Come on. Oh, come on now.
Gotta get the last word in.
Yeah. Look at that. Woo. Two-and-a-half pounder there, people. 18. Oh, where's my numbers? "17 inches long."
Having any luck today?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, you got a couple good ones in, huh?
A 2.5 pound spot, and I don't know if he's a shell cracker or a bluegill, but he's 11 inches long.
Good deal. I like your rig right there. You got a good setup.
Well, thank you. I was going to go to Indian Creek, but as soon as I went across that point, I about got blowed off my kayak. So.
Yeah, well, I told Nate that's kind of where we're going to go, back in Indian Creek. Try it out.
I was wanting to catch some bluegill and go back in there and catfish, but
This is a good little slough right here, though, isn't it?
well, it seems to be.
Yeah.